Ready to start screen recording with Loom on your computer? I'm going to show you the fastest way to download and install the desktop app. Follow along with me, and in just a few minutes, you'll be all set to create your first Loom video. First, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type loom.com and hit enter. You will be redirected to the official site for Loom. Once you are here, scroll down to the footer section at the bottom of the page, and you will see the download area. Click on Desktop App. You will be redirected to the download page. Once you're on the Loom download page, you'll immediately see a prominent download button. The website automatically detects your operating system, so the correct version for Windows or Mac will be selected for you. Click the download button and the installer file will begin downloading to your computer. This will take a while, so be patient until the process is complete. When the download completes, you'll find the Loom installer file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the file to open and begin the installation. The installation process will begin automatically, which typically takes 30 seconds to a minute. Once installation is complete, Loom will automatically open. You'll be prompted to either sign in with an existing account or create a new one. You can sign up using your email, Google account, or other options.